Okie dokie. Let's go through these questions as fast as we can. I know we can do it in no time. Okay. Saying differentiate the following with respect to x. So in other words, they want d dx. Okay. The derivative with respect to x. Let's go for it. Okay. D dx of 5 sine x. Okay. Now remember the derivative of sine x is cos x. Okay. And the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. Okay, so let's go. The derivative, so it's going to be 5 is just a number, so it'll be outside. What's the derivative of sine x? It is cos x. Okay, so it'll be equal to 5 cos x. That's going to be a solution. Then what is number 2? This is number 1. Number 2, what is the derivative d dx of negative 8 cos x? This is just going to be equal to negative 8 is outside. The derivative of cos x, if you want, you can actually show that you know that this is negative 8 times the derivative of cos x, which is going to be negative 8 is multiplying. The derivative of cos is negative sine x, okay? Which is going to be negative times negative becomes positive. 8 times sine x becomes 8 sine x. Number 3, the derivative d dx of 3 sine 2x. This is going to be, 3 is just outside. The derivative of sine 2x, this is now a sine f of x, right? What is it going to be? You differentiate 2x, it'll be 2 times, then you differentiate sine. What's the derivative of sine? It is cos. So it'll be 2 cos 2x, okay? Okay? Remember, the derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x, but because it's a sine 2x, there's an f of x, you should differentiate, okay? You should differentiate the 2x first, okay? The f of x, okay? If you remember that, it's going to be, you remember that we say the derivative of sine f of x. It is f dash x times cos f of x, okay? So you differentiate this f of x, you get f dash x. That is at the 2x. We differentiate it, we get 2 times cos, because the derivative of sine is cos. Cos of what? Of the same thing as it was. Cos of f of x, so cos of 2x, okay? So it'll be 2 cos 2x. Okay, so the derivative of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x. So it's going to be 3 now times 2 becomes 6 times cos 2x. It'll be 6 cos 2x. Okay? What about if it was saying the derivative of 3 cos 2x? We would say 3 come outside. Then let's say we wanted that. Okay, we'll do it as the last thing. Let's first do part 4. Part 4 is the derivative. Oh, there's something similar to what we wanted to do. 3 minus 2 cos 5x. So now we don't need to waste time on that. This is going to be, what's the derivative of 3 is 0, right? So you can say it is d dx of 3 minus d dx of the second part, which is 2 cos 5x, okay? The derivative of 3 is 0, so it'll be 0 minus, what's the derivative of this? 2 comes out, it's just a constant. Derivative of cos 5x, we say derivative of 5x is 5 times derivative of cos is negative sine. So negative sine 5x. So it's going to be negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 times minus 1. It'll be positive 10. So it'll be 10 sine 5x. Okay, there we go. That's our final solution. I hope you got everything so far. I hope you saw how to do each one of these. You can do many more practice questions and then you can see the solution. So it's fine. This is what we do in Trig. And now let's go ahead and see some questions for tan inverse and we'll be done.